Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily create a sales invoice in Xero. So what you want to do is just be in Xero and then just click on business and invoices, or you can simply by click and invoice. Now just create a new invoice, and here you just want to choose like who is it for, reference, invoice number if you have it. Then you just simply add items that you've pre-created, and now you have currency, manage online payments if you have it. What you can do also is to click on Invoice Settings in the right top corner, so the three dots, and edit the template here. So you can edit also where you want the payment go, etc. It's like really up to you. And now you can preview it. Nice. Let's delete this. And when you're gonna preview it, how it looks like, you got the golf balls 560, you just send it. And to someone, hey, smart angels, there's invoice for 560 due to 2nd November, and you just send it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.